What's up YouTube? It's your boy James back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 1 Mid Triple White. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. If you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, if you could do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video when I drop one. I post multiple videos every week and I look forward to having you as a subscriber on my channel. We currently hit 250 subscribers and I can't thank you all enough for rocking with me. We started at 0 and thank you all to everybody who's been here from the beginning, and thank you to the new subscribers and welcome to the channel. So Finish Line got me, man. I got an email last week. It had a $10 off coupon and it said that I had to, until the 25th or so to use it. So I went on the website and I'm like, all right, what can I get, And I came across these Air Jordan 1 Mids, triple whites, and they were $115 retail and I had a $10 off coupon. So I was like, dude, for $105, that's not bad. So I copped them. Now I know some of you are out there saying, oh man, I hate mids, I hate lows, that type of thing. I get that, I respect it. I don't agree with you, but at $115 for retail for a pair of mids, and the difference between a mid and a high is this much material, I think that's a pretty good deal, especially when a lot of the highs just sell out immediately. The mids are almost always available for purchase and they're pretty affordable. So it's definitely an option for you, if you want to pick up a cheap sneaker that you can wear around and really not worry about messing them up too much. I rock with the lows, I rock with the mids, I rock with the highs. It's just a matter of what I can get my hands on. So let's take a look at what we got going on here. We're going to start with the box. Comes in your standard black Jordan box with the gold Jumpman, and the size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Mid, white, white, white. So starting out, when you open the box, you have your white tissue paper with your number 23, and I believe that's in gold. And here it is, guys. This is a very, very clean shoe. My first thought that I have is this would look really, really good with some sweatpants. Or like a track outfit or something like that. This is how it came laced out of the box. So I'm going to have to lace that up. And for whatever reason, I'm not really sure. And I know this isn't a big deal, but only one shoe tree came in one shoe. Finish Line, what are you doing? I don't know if that's standard or not. I've never seen that. But yeah. Only one shoe tree though. Alright guys, let's take an up close look at the Air Jordan 1 Mid Triple White. Alright, so here's our first up close look at the Air Jordan 1 Mid Triple White. At the top here, that's going to be genuine leather. And you got your Air Jordan Wings logo. Coming down to the mid panel, that's nubuck material. And that's going to be more slippery kind of feeling than the genuine leather that's on the top. Here's a shot of your toe box. Now this is more stiff than like the Jordan 1 lows. But it's still pretty soft, but as you can see, it's way more stiff. And then you have your rubber midsole. Here you got your all white laces. And here's your shot of the tongue. And your tongue is like a cloth material. No other laces come in the box. I would definitely go true to size in these guys. And here's a shot of the back of the shoes. There's no Wings logo on these. Inside the shoe, you have your white sock liner, and you have the white Jumpman there. And here's your tag that's behind the tongue. There's not a whole lot to say about this shoe. I mean, it's all white, triple white, so, you guys be very, very careful with these when you take them out. I would definitely recommend getting some kind of shoe repellent, you know, for stains and water and stuff like that. On the bottom of the shoe, you have your all-white outsole. Overall, I think this is a very, very clean shoe. Definitely worth $105. $115 retail. Now let's get into some on-feet action. So let me know down in the comments section, do you like these? Do you hate them? Love them or hate them, drop a comment below. I want to see everybody's reaction. If you liked the video, if you could do me a huge favor and smash that like button for me, it really does help with the YouTube algorithm, puts my videos out in front of more people, and helps the channel grow. And if you're new or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss another video on sneaker reviews, gear, and sports related items. And until next video, peace.